What's up everybody, my name is Cedric and today I'm going to be doing another video on the MX Master 3. And as I promised in my previous video, this is going to be a follow-up as well as I'm going to be going through the exclusive features of this mouse that just outshines any other mouse out there. And if you haven't watched my previous video on the unboxing and review of this mouse, I'll link it up top, so don't forget to watch that one first. And let's just jump straight into number one, the first exclusive feature, and that is this mouse can track on almost any surface because of the dark field sensor. Now I know there are some other mice that can track on multiple surfaces, especially some of the Logitech ones, but I think this is still a really worthy mention because it works really well on all surfaces like wood, it works on carpet, on glass, on plastic, literally any surface that you can find. Now the reason why this is so cool is because one, you don't need to go out looking for a mouse pad, which helps if you want a clean and minimal setup, as well as you can save some cash. Now the only problem that comes if you don't use a mouse pad is if you have a desk like this where it's a glass top, scratches can accumulate over time, but luckily the MX Master 3's feet are situated very well, which helps with super smooth gliding, and I don't think it should cause any scratches even in the long term. And moving on to number two, the horizontal scroll wheel. I know it is super simple to just hit the shift key on your keyboard and scroll using the vertical scroll wheel to make use of horizontal scrolling, but it's even better to have a separate dedicated scroll wheel to scroll horizontally. The main reason is because you can set the horizontal scroll wheel to not just horizontally scroll, but to also do many other tasks using the Logitech Options app. For example, if you're watching a movie or video that might not necessarily require any horizontal scrolling, you can just set it to adjust your volume or brightness. And another example is if you're using Word or PowerPoint, maybe you can set it to zoom in and out of the page, which is also super convenient. And number three is switching between scroll wheel modes. The beauty behind this wheel is that it uses magnets to produce a super smooth scrolling experience, and it also provides line-by-line scrolling. The free spin mode allows for an extremely smooth scrolling experience with minimum friction, and this is very useful when trying to navigate with pages and pages on PDFs or very large spreadsheets on Excel. On the other hand, you can also utilize the ratchet mode, which allows for line-by-line scrolling, which is also super helpful when you want to navigate with precision. And number four is flow. This neat feature allows you to transfer files between two computers, even running two different operating systems. All you need to do to enable this is to have Logitech Options installed on both computers, connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and have both computers paired with the mouse. Personally, I haven't been using this feature a whole lot because I only use one computer at a time, but if you are using two computers simultaneously, it might be helpful when transferring files. And lastly, number five is not really an exclusive feature, but I did think it would be good to throw it on into this list, and that is the various programmable buttons that the MX Master has. The 7 programmable buttons include the standard left and right click, along with the scroll wheel, the middle button, and then there are the additional forward and backward or side buttons, as well as the gesture button. These are super helpful for multitasking and they're fully customizable for a bunch of different apps. And that's basically it for this video, guys. Those were the exclusive features of the MX Master 3 and the reason why this mouse is still so popular. Also, I'll link another video at the end, and that is another mouse that I really enjoyed using. It is a gaming mouse, so go check that one out. As always, if you guys enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave your comments and questions down below. See you guys later.